This video will show you how to find scholarly articles on a topic. There are two different ways you can do this, using Omni or a specialized subject database. We'll look at both, along with some tips for searching effectively. First, we'll look at Omni. It has articles on a wide variety of topics and is often a good starting point for research. The search box is on the library's main web page. Just type your search and press Search Omni. I'll search for legalization and prostitution. Your results will include books and many other types of resources. To limit to scholarly articles, look under Availability in the left column and click on Peer-Reviewed Journals. This gives me 2,700 articles. Click on the record to see more details about an article. Here you'll see a list of options to locate the article. Click on one to go to the article page and find the PDF. If you're off campus, you'll need to log in at this point. Here you'll also see related articles on the right. Scroll down to see a description of the article. At the bottom, there are sometimes options to see what this article cites and which articles cite it. 2,700 articles are a lot to look through. You can refine your results by using the search limits on the left, for example, date or language. One useful way of making your results more relevant is to use the subjects. Click on Subject to see a list of subjects. Click the box to the left of a subject to include it in your results, or the box on the right to exclude it. I'll include human trafficking and exclude history and archaeology, then click Apply Filters. Now I have narrowed to 170 results, which are focused on one aspect of the topic. For more precise searching, use the Advanced Search. Click on Advanced Search beside the search box at the top of the page. It is helpful to keep different search concepts on different lines, so I'll type legalization in the first box and prostitution in the second box. I can specify which resource type, language, or date range I want. In the Any Field drop-down, I can choose whether I want to search everywhere in the record or just in the title, author, or subject fields. In Advanced Search, I can add alternate words for my main search concepts. Put alternate words in the same search box, separated by OR. I'll type legalization or laws in the first box and prostitution or sex trade in the second. This search will give me a lot more results. Next, we'll search for articles in a specialized subject database. Omni is often a good place to start your search, but it only has a subset of the library's articles. Other databases have a lot more articles in a focused subject area. These are better for in-depth research or for some subjects not covered well in Omni. To find subject databases, choose Subject Guides from the Research menu at the top of any library web page. You'll see a list of different subjects. Pick the one most appropriate for your topic. I'll choose Sociology. Once there, look in the Contents menu on the left and choose Finding Articles. The databases you'll see listed there have been selected as most helpful. I'm going to search Sociology at ProQuest. Many subject databases, like this one, work like the Advanced Search in Omni, though they look a little different. Type different concepts in search boxes on different lines. I'll type in my search with its alternate search words. I'll type legalization or laws in the first search box and prostitution or sex trade in the second. Check the box next to Peer Reviewed to limit to scholarly articles. I get 945 results. Like in Omni, you can limit and refine your results. To do that, look in the left menu to see options, including subjects. Click on Subject, then click on More. You'll see a list of subjects to help narrow your search. I'm going to check the box to include human trafficking, then click Apply. When I do this, I get 145 results, and they're much more focused. To see the articles, click on the Get It at Laurier button. Most of the time, you'll go to the article in Omni. Look under View Online for a list of links to the article online. Pick any one of them to get to the article page with the full text or PDF on it. That's a basic overview of searching for scholarly articles. If you have any questions, ask us at library.wlu.ca/help/ask us.